guys, it's Ashley from Naughty True Reviews, and today we're unboxing Piquant Post. Piquant Post is a monthly spice subscription box. This is a small batch hand-blended spice kit. Each month is themed. I like that about this. So they'll take you to a different region of the world. They'll get you 4 different recipes, and they'll send you the spices you need to complete that recipe. So I don't know what's in here. I didn't even do my first glimpse. I figured let's just do it blind. These are, by the way, $11.99 a month. If you go longer, like the 3 or 6 month subscription, the price goes down. I will link down below to my full review, where if you want to see me complete one of the recipes, you can. I will also link to Piquant Post so you can check them out. All right, let's find out. Are you nervous? Because I'm not nervous. All right. So all right, got everything out. I'm going to go through the recipes and then, I think, ooh, is this like, I'm not sure if it's some sort of an Asian. All right, so we have 5 spice chicken thighs. I do believe it has some 5 spice. This is like a classic, like a Chinese seasoning. So I honestly, we really like this, so I will probably make this. And then for that, we have, where's the 5 spice? Chinese 5 spice. So this contains cinnamon, fennel seed, cloves, Sichuan pepper, and star anise. So there's that. Our next recipe is salt and 2 pepper shrimp. Ooh, salt and 2 pepper. And I love, like, the instructions for a lot of them are very simple. Some of them, they get a little harder, which is nice because you can, like, try, on the nights you have more time, you have something that you can try, and then on the nights that you don't have as much time, you have something as well. So for this one, the salt and pepper, so we have white pepper, Sichuan pepper, and sea salt in this one. And these tell you when they were packed and the spices included. So there's that. Then we have spicy tofu steaks, which I used to be a vegetarian. I was a vegetarian for 6 years and throughout 2 of my pregnancies. So tofu is something that is very familiar with me. And it took me a very long time because once I moved out, I was a vegetarian. I never like cooked my own meat. Like that was, and when I did have to cook my own meat, I had to acclimate to that. That was very hard for me and still sometimes is. But tofu, I can work my way around some tofu. So this looks like it's super simple. Just tofu, oil, scallions, cilantro. There's silk road spice mix and salt and pepper. And then for your sauce, it's just canola, soy sauce, and hoisin sauce or oyster sauce, which I have, and I might actually make this because my kids love tofu. So in this silk road spice mix is cumin, sesame seeds, coriander, cayenne garlic powder, and Sichuan pepper. That's it. Finally, this looks like the most difficult of all the recipes is this tangerine beef, but it looks so good, right? And in this one, we have a spicy tangerine spice mix. This has dried tangerine peel, ginger, and crushed red pepper. I have had something like this, and it was amazing. I love the bright citrus. So that is everything that I received in my Piquant Post. Let me know what you think down below. If you're interested in checking them out, I'll link to them. I'll also link to my full review, so you can check that out as well. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye!